Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com, and here we are into the members area of the invisible method, and they call it the reviews machine. I don't know why they do that, but anyway, this is the invisible method, and basically there's 4 parts to this program. You can make pages, you can make reviews, you can collect leads, and you can make videos. And it's also got a graphics editor in there, and it's also got a picture finder. And we'll get into that, but I got a demo video by the vendor after this, and I recommend that you watch that because I'm not going to be able to go through everything with this program. There is a bit of a learning curve, and I made a site in order to save some time. I'm just going to walk you through the site that I made, just basically to save time. Otherwise, this video would be a quite long video. And keep in mind that the site that I made is just a rough draft, and you can edit these sites to make them more eye appealing if you want to spend the time on the styling. And basically what I did is, this is a site that I made. This is like the home page. I made this, and if you scroll down and consider these top resources to make money online, earn extra money quickly. If you click that, it'll take you to this review page, which anyway, we'll get into that. And then I also put an article on this home page here. If you click this, it will take you to that review page. I put the privacy policy on here, and all this, you'll have to have the images kind of ready. Your logo, your background image for the header and all that. But if I click this, it takes me to the review page, and it's not much of a review page because it's got a article finder in it. And I just chose the first article that I seen under the category. So this is not really a review page. I would do something different. But on the review page right here, if I click this, it will go to my home page, which is you could put your affiliate link in there. So if they click this, they could go to your affiliate link, but it's going to go to my home page. And I think if you spent a little bit of time on this and got over a little bit of a learning curve, you could make some pretty nice websites with this thing. So that's just my personal opinion. So anyway, let's go back to, okay, here we are back in the dashboard. And like I said, I'm not going to be able to go through everything. So there is a demo video after this, and I recommend that you watch it. And anyway, the first thing you do is you go to the sites section. There's other people been in here that have review access, and so other people have been in here. But this test 46, that's the one I made, and that's the one I'm going to show you. That's the one I showed you up here. And to create a new site, you push this button here. And anyway, we can edit the site, or we can view the site, we can duplicate the site, or we can remove the site. But we're going to push edit. And you have to fill out this information here, okay? You can use a custom domain, okay? I get asked that sometimes when I review these products. I just put test 46. You got to fill this information out here. Project name, test 46, ID number 46. And then I put an email address in here. And then here's, you go to the appearance. And this is where I put the article. I just took an article and I put it in here. And you can add videos and images. You got the source code. You got all these different options here in a WYSIWYG editor. You can add links on here. And at the bottom, I put a link to the review page that I made. Okay. So anyway, that's the call to action to go to the review page. So anyway, you got to fill this information out here. You got to get a logo, tells you the dimensions. I put Crush It Online with Mark Dwayne. That's just something I used for the title. The subtitle, Pro Internet Marketer. And then here you go, choose the header image. That header image that looks like, let's go back up here. It looks like this. That's where you choose the header image. And it will not accept it over 1 megabyte. I had a little trouble with that. My first image that I put up there was bigger than a 1 megabyte. So anyway, to save time, I went through and did all this stuff. Then you go to the menu. And you can add a privacy policy. You can add a page. Okay, I got the page policy here. You can add this page on here. You can choose it. We'll just add it on there. That's the review page. It's really not a review, but I would doctor that review page up, but that's what it's supposed to be. Okay, I added that on there. Now it should be on my home page. You can, that's how you add the review pages on there. And then networks, basically what this is your, choose network. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. It's your social network. I'm not going to add those on there. You got an SEO section for search engine optimization. You can put a meta title. You can put a better description. And then resources. You can add different scripts. Okay. Header script, content script. I'm not going to mess with any of that. And then we're not going to go back to all sites. But anyway, let's just go. In order to make a review page, this is a little confusing. I found it first. Okay. You can make a page over here. Okay. You can create a new page and it'll show up in this section here. Where is it? A menu, add pages. It'll show up here. Okay, in order to make a review page, and I found this a little confusing at first because I didn't see it. But anyway, you go over here and you push reviews. I've got one review, and I found this to be a kind of a neat little feature here. You go create review, and then you can import a review, or you can create a review from scratch, which I think I would create a review from scratch. But if you go to import review, you just push, I put make money online, English, United States, and then you push search. And it comes up with all these articles. And this is the article that I put in there. I might find something different because it's supposed to be a review. We'll just push import for 40 easy ways. Okay. And you can edit all this stuff. You can add, it's got a WYSIWYG editor, same thing. You can add a video in here. All this information can be edited. You can add links in here. If I was going to make this as my site, I would not use this type of an article. I would actually put a review in there. But anyway, it just is a little bit of a learning curve. That's the big problem I see with this program. And at the bottom, you can put down here, call to action with your affiliate link in there. That's what I done. I just went down here and then I just pushed this, and then we just push HTTPS, Mark Dwayne. If I spell it right. And we'll just leave it at that. You can put the text there, any text you want. Click here to make $100 a day online or something you can put. But this would be your affiliate link, okay? You can insert that. You cannot make it bold. Okay, you can go into the WYSIWYG editor and make it italicized and whatever, and then save content. But you can add images and videos and all that stuff on there. Like I said, there's a little bit of a learning curve. Okay, that was contents, appearance. You can change the appearance of this, okay? Product or service, title. I need to know the title that we'll just go page 2. I'm just gonna, this is a rough draft copy anyway, just for demo purposes. test 2. We'll just say, because you got to have this in there, otherwise it won't save. Okay, require a field assessment. I missed an assessment, so I don't know what that means. Oh, assessment. It's looking for that. The assessment's over here. Okay, you got to add the stars on there, I guess. Well, I didn't know that, but oh well. And then the SEO, it's got SEO on here, and you put the meta title, meta description, and then you got the resources. You can add some resources in here. Enable output redirect pop-up. I'm not going to mess with that. Redirect description, URL, YouTube autoplay, GIF. You can add sharing on here, Facebook, Twitter, what's up, LinkedIn, email, name, email, what's up, thank you page, Facebook ID, scripts, stuff like that. And then I believe all reviews. So I think now we can go back to I found this a little confusing. You can go back to the home page and we go to its appearance. Okay. Menu. We add a page. We should be able to add that page that I just made. This one right here. You just push add page. Add page. Okay, well, I think it's on there. I think that's all we got to do. So now we go back to sites. Okay, we got to go back to sites there. Sites over here. And then we go and we view. Like I said, there's a little bit of, see, we got page 2 on here now. Consider these top resources for making money online. But anyway, page 2 is on here now. I didn't doctor it up. I didn't put the header image. If I can spit it out, I didn't put the image on there. Maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe I should just left the headline. But anyway, that's how that part works. They also have a image bank, is what they call it. Go in here and you can search for images. We'll just search for business, make money online, search. It comes up with images. Now there's more images in different, like fashion. You could go, I don't know, dresses. I don't know, dress. And it comes up with all these images. You can download these. And then you got a image editor on here. You can create a new image, open a photo. I'm not going to mess with this. It's just a standard image editor. And I do know that these image editors work because I've used several of them. Okay, it does have the ability to create videos. And how you do that is you go to the edit site section. And then you go over here to the reviews section. And then the different reviews that you've put on the website, you push this button right here, and then you push create video. Now, I'm not going to create a video, but that's how you do it. So it does create videos, and he goes through that in more depth into the demo after this video. So I recommend that you watch that, and he shows how to do it. And I also have actually 2 demos. I added the part where they talk about what's included in the training. So you've got my review here, and you've got the demo by the vendor explaining how to use the software. And then after that, you have the demo on explaining what's involved in the training area. So anyway, I highly recommend that you watch those 2 demos. But I think if you took some time and you doctored up the page, you took the time to doctor up the page, I think you could make some pretty nice looking pages with this thing. So if it looks like something that you might be interested in, you can get access to it and my hand-picked bonuses and a link or button somewhere on this page. You just click the link on this page, you go to my bonus page, you push the button on my bonus page, you purchase the program, then you'll get access to all my hand-picked bonuses. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell, make a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.
Hello everyone and welcome to our Invisible Method Reviews Machine. My name is Raim and I will guide you through our platform, showing you the main functions and tools. To start in use, it's very simple. Just enter your mail and password and click on Login. The first screen you will see is our dashboard, where you will see what plan is yours, how many sites, pages, reviews, leads, and videos you have created. When clicking on Website, you will have the websites that you have already created. And remember, if you are a Diamond Plan user, you can create unlimited websites. To create a website, just click on New Site and enter the SS address and your business information. Done that, click on New Site, and now you can click on Edit. Now you can edit your settings, like inserting your own domain available only on the Diamond Plan. You can edit the appearance, inserting your logo, your base bar text, the title and subtitle of your page, and the cover image. And with a few clicks, you already have your website online. Just save, click here to open your site, and look, you have your website published. The logo, the background, the website title, subtitle, and your base bar text. It is also possible to insert a menu with your pages and information, like the privacy policy and the terms of use, which are automatically filled in based on the business information you filled during the creation of the website. You can also insert your social networks like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, configure SEO, and insert resources like scripts. Returning to our main menu, you have two very interesting tools. The first one is the image bank, where you can, with a few clicks, thousands of free images to use in your reviews. You can choose a category, right, what are you looking for, and search, and you have in seconds thousands of images. Also you have the RevPix, a complete image editor where you can resize, crop, drawing, writing, place shapes, stickers, borders, corners, background, and much more with the image that you search on our image bank. And let's go to the main event, our reviews. You can enter in your site, click in reviews, and now you can create unlimited reviews with the Diamond Plan. Just click on create review and choose if you want to start an empty review from zero or import an existing one, and see and watch that. Importing, it's very simple. It's just search for what you want. After you found the review that you like, you can click on import, and now you can edit in your way. You can delete a text, you can select and change the font, you can select the sizing of line spacing, bold, strike through, select a text color, select a background color, you can put an unordered list, an ordered list, configure the paragraph, put a link in your text, put a picture in your review, put a video in your review from YouTube, Vimeo, Vine, Instagram, Dailymotion, or Youku. That done, just save editions and create your review. Now you have several settings to make. How? Change the title, the access address, the appearance, inserting the author, the publication title, the assessment, placing the name of the product or service you are evaluating, the description, the title and subtitle of your review, and put a cover image. In addition, you have SEO settings and features like pop-ups, redirects, share buttons, capturing leads, thank you pages, scripts, and YouTube autoplay. A diamond plan tool that turns your video into a GIF to increase engagement with your visitor. Once the changes have been made, just click on View to see how your review was published. And here we go. This is your review with your title, subtitle, logo, background image, the publisher, the data, the assessment, and all the changes and features that you put in your review. And lastly, the icing on the cake, the creation of a video review, where on the diamond plan you can create up to 10 videos. With this tool, you can turn your text review into a narrated video. Always very easy and intuitive. You can edit the slides, changing the settings like display time, text to audio, the background color, put a background image, and changing the layout. Edited slides. Now you can generate the audio of your video review, choosing a voice of man or woman, and create audio. Now you can download your audio or listen.
In the world of health and wellness.
Now it's time to render your video. A few minutes later and he is ready. If you see that the percentage is not changing, I suggest you to refresh the page. Now you can watch your video and download it, as it will only be available for 6 hours on our server.
In the world of health and wellness.
And ready, you have a video review narrated, ready to be used on your pages. And lastly, you can insert a lead capture form in your review. And then you see the data you obtain with your leads and export it in CSV format. It's very easy and pretty cool. This is just a taste of what the review machine is capable of. You will make incredible reviews with her without having to appear or record your voice. Welcome to the Invisible Method, and this was our review machine. Until next time, see you later. Bye!
Team, I just wanted to do a quick overview of the training and what it consists of and what people get when they invest in the Invisible Method. If you're considering to invest or if you're considering to promote, we have another video that's going to go through the software part of things, but just so you understand how these things go together. So the whole Invisible Method, it's a 5-in-1 combo where we bring together software and we bring together training to make sure that people have everything they need to start right away. So in the training, we go through and we discuss how to create a review from scratch, how to make money online, you know, what the differences are and how we're going to do it with the proper customers and the students. We're going to do it through affiliate marketing. So we're going to teach people exactly how to do affiliate marketing using reviews, which we consider to be a highly effective method for making sales. And we're going to teach them traffic methods, so Google Ads, and how to place their reviews in front of people that are already searching for that last phase of the buyer process. So people that are already decided that they want to purchase, they're just looking for a reason either not to or a reason to buy. So what we do is we teach our students to go in and select anywhere from 25 to 30 products on any of the main platforms that they can find by Googling it. So we tell people to Google, JVZoo, Google affiliate programs that they can actually use. Like we go here and we teach them the whole buyer process, like I said. And then we're going to teach people to place the review in front of those people that are on Google searching for, hey, does so-and-so product work? Is it good? How do I buy it? Are there any reviews? What's the price? Is it worth it? Because we understand that they're at the final stage, the decision stage, that they want the solution. They're just trying to figure out the logical reason for them to make a purchase. So emotionally, they bought it. Now they need the rational, logical explanation and arguments to get them over that hill. And that's exactly what we teach and we go through here. So we tell people, we give them some examples of reviews. We go through and we do an in-depth look at those reviews. We tell them that they don't need a product to create a review. And we give them some expert tips on how to do that. So we go through and give people homework. We give people next steps. It's a very sequential, step-by-step process in teaching. So we tell people that we have to teach them the strategy first, then we teach them the tech, as in the software, the app that we give them. So that's why we've decided to release our training in a sequential manner. They don't get immediate access to everything. They get access to 2 to 3 videos max per day released to them, so that they can go through each video, they can watch it, they can do the homework. So just the first class alone, they have to go in, fill out 25 product requests, and then they have to be, become an affiliate to those products. And once they do that, then we also give them all of the templates that they need to be able to be approved. So we give complimentary material. So here's a JV approval request email template they can send out. Here's a JV review access email template they can use and just switch out with their name, and we go in and teach them how to do that in the training. So you can see here, this is when I was recording to show everything. So instant approval, requested approval to be analyzed. We give them tips to get that done. We give them a Excel sheet for them to fill out, and we show them what to do. So the product name, the niche, the sales page link, email, contact email, support email. Was it requested? Was it approved? What's the group for Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever that they can get in? JV manager contact info. Are there ads running? So is there competition? Is there an existing review that I can use to model? So we try and teach these students to be organized in how they set up their whole process. So we tell them to select the products. We tell them to request approval. We actually go through the mindset so that it's not just get rich quick scheme. We're actually teaching them how to set up a business using reviews and multiple reviews, how we go into retargeting later on in the other modules, traffic modules. So all of this, we give them expert tips on how to have a perfect review. So as you can see here, we give them, the whole framework, and we explain everything, how they should do it, why they should do it, and then we give them also complimentary. So we give them complimentary material to help them structure their reviews in the future. So we have, title, headline, promise, story, what's the product, how to use it, is there a guarantee, and we explain and we go through and actually create a finalized review within the Review Machine app. So this is just the training side of things, so you can have an idea, just an insight, a quick overview of what we're actually providing in terms of training. You should be getting review access as well, just in case, but this video together with the demo is just to show you exactly what we're bringing to the table and why you should promote it or invest in it if you're interested in learning more about how we apply reviews to get really, really incredible results. All right, I'll see you next video and hope to see you soon on the inside. Bye-bye.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.